Your ageLOC Me system comes with a 1-month supply of products. You will need to replace your ageLOC Me product cartridges each month. To replace your used product cartridges, start by opening the device lid. Using both index fingers, simultaneously pull the serum tabs toward you to release the serum cartridge set. Pull the serum cartridge set out and discard the entire set, including the device connector and serum cartridge holder. You will receive a new serum cartridge holder and device connector with your replacement product cartridges each month. Next, remove the day moisturizer and the night moisturizer cartridges. Press back on the corresponding tabs until each cartridge is released. Pull the cartridges out and discard them. To insert your replacement cartridges, please refer to the cartridge assembly video.